Hello, fellow denizens of the internet. Tonight, we're diving into the wild world of torrenting, but with a twist. A twist that promises to make your digital life a whole lot easier and more enjoyable. We're talking about seedr, a service that takes the classic torrenting experience and throws it headfirst into the cloud. Imagine the power of torrenting combined with the convenience of cloud storage. Now, for those unfamiliar, torrenting can be a bit like navigating a pirate ship through a legal minefield. It's thrilling but fraught with risks and challenges. But seedr aims to make it as simple as ordering a pizza. Just a few clicks, and you're good to go. Think of seedr as the Netflix of torrenting. It brings the same ease and accessibility to downloading and streaming content. It lets you download and stream content from torrents, all without needing to install any clunky software on your device. No more hassle, just pure entertainment. You just point seedr at a torrent file, and it does all the heavy lifting in the cloud. It's like having your own personal digital butler. No more worrying about slow download speeds, shady websites, or your computer turning into a digital furnace. seedr handles it all with ease. Over the next few sections, we'll break down exactly how seedr works, who it's for, and why it might just be the future of how we consume digital content. Stay tuned, because you won't want to miss this. Buckle up, because things are about to get surprisingly convenient. We're about to embark on a journey through the digital seas. But first, a quick word from our sponsors. Just kidding, we don't have sponsors. This is public television, baby. We're here to bring you the best without any interruptions. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of seedr together. So what makes seedr so special? Let's dive into its standout features. Well, aside from being about as user-friendly as a basket of puppies, it's packed with functionalities that make it a joy to use. seedr comes loaded with features that make traditional torrenting look like a clunky relic of the past. No more dealing with outdated software or slow downloads. Firstly, there's the whole cloud thing. seedr leverages cloud technology to make your life easier. seedr stores all your downloaded files on its own servers, which means you can access them from any device with an internet connection. Whether you're on your phone, tablet, or laptop, your files are always within reach. It's like having a magic pocket dimension where you keep all your digital goodies. Imagine never having to worry about storage space again. Second, seedr is ridiculously easy to use. Its interface is intuitive and straightforward. There's no need to install any software, configure complicated settings, or sacrifice a goat to the internet gods. It's all about simplicity and efficiency. You just create an account, paste in a torrent link, and boom. seedr takes care of the rest, handling all the technical details for you. seedr takes care of the rest. You can sit back, relax, and let seedr do the heavy lifting. And speaking of easy, seedr also lets you stream your downloaded content directly from the cloud. No more waiting for massive files to download. That's right, no more waiting for massive files to download. Just click and watch like the digital overlords intended. Just click and watch like the digital overlords intended. But that's not all. seedr also offers a range of privacy features to keep your data secure. seedr also offers a range of privacy features ensuring your downloads and personal information are kept safe. It can handle files of any size, from small documents to large video files, without breaking a sweat. And comes with a variety of account options to fit your needs. Whether you're a casual user or a power downloader, there's a plan for you. We'll delve deeper into all of that later, but for now, just know that seedr is like the Swiss Army knife of torrenting. Versatile, reliable, and surprisingly sharp. It's the ultimate tool for all your downloading needs. Now you might be thinking, John, this sounds great and all, but is seedr right for me? It's a valid question, and one that deserves a thorough answer. Well, my friend, that depends. Let's explore this together. Are you a human being with an internet connection and a thirst for digital content? Do you find yourself constantly searching for ways to access your favorite media quickly and efficiently? If so, then the answer is probably yes. seedr could be the perfect tool for you. seedr is a versatile tool that can be used by anyone, from casual downloaders to hardcore streaming enthusiasts. It caters to a wide range of needs and preferences. Let's break down a few use cases, shall we? This will help you see how seedr can fit into your digital lifestyle. For the casual user, seedr is a great way to download large files without having to worry about slow speeds or unreliable connections. Downloading a new game? No problem. Grabbing a bunch of music for a road trip? seedr's got you covered. You can easily download and organize your favorite tracks. For the streaming aficionado, seedr is a dream come true. Imagine having all your favorite content at your fingertips. You can stream your favorite movies, TV shows, and even live events directly from the cloud, all without having to worry about buffering or lag. It's seamless and efficient. It's like having your own personal Netflix, but with even more options, and potentially fewer legal ramifications, but we'll get to that later. The possibilities are endless. And for the privacy-conscious user, seedr offers a range of features to keep your online activity under wraps. Your data and privacy are protected. We'll dive deeper into the specifics later, but rest assured, seedr takes your privacy seriously, unlike some other websites we could mention, Facebook. So, whether you're downloading, streaming, or just safeguarding your privacy, seedr has something to offer you. Alright, enough talk, let's see this thing in action. Signing up for seedr is about as complicated as boiling water. You head over to their website, enter your email address, create a password that would make Fort Knox blush, and boom, you're in. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by seedr's clean and intuitive interface. It's so user-friendly, even your grandma could figure it out. And let's be honest, your grandma is probably more tech-savvy than you are. Adding a torrent is as simple as copying and pasting the torrent link into seedr's handy-dandy Add New Torrent box. seedr will then spring into action, fetching the torrent file and adding it to your cloud storage. And that's it. seedr will handle the rest, downloading your files at lightning speed and storing them securely in the cloud. From there, you can download them directly to your device, stream them online, or even share them with friends, but maybe don't share copyrighted content, okay? We'll talk more about that later. Section 5. Downloading your files, a step-by-step guide. So you've added a torrent to seedr, it's downloaded faster than a cheetah on a sugar rush, and now you're ready to get your hands on that sweet, sweet digital goodness. But how, you ask? Fear not, my friend, for downloading your files from seedr is as easy as pie and much less messy. First, you'll want to navigate to your seedr dashboard. This is where you'll find all your downloaded files neatly organized and ready for action. Next, locate the file you want to download. You can browse by folder, search by name, or just scroll through your entire library like a digital hoarder. Once you've found your target, simply click the download button next to the file. seedr will then whisk that file from the cloud and onto your device faster than you can say bandwidth, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully downloaded a file from seedr and lived to tell the tale. Now go forth and download all the things, but again, maybe just the legal things, okay? Section 6. Streaming made easy. Enjoy your content instantly. Now maybe you're not the downloading type, maybe you prefer to get your digital fix instantly, without having to wait for files to download. Well, my friend, seedr has you covered there too. With seedr's built-in streaming functionality, you can watch movies, TV shows, and even listen to music directly from the cloud, all without having to download a single byte. To stream content from seedr, simply locate the file you want to watch or listen to in your seedr dashboard. Click the play button, sit back, relax, and let the digital entertainment wash over you. seedr's streaming capabilities are surprisingly robust. You can adjust the playback quality to suit your internet connection, enable subtitles for those times when you just can't quite make out what Benedict Cumberbatch is mumbling about, and even create playlists of your favorite content. It's like having your own personal Netflix but with even more options, and potentially fewer monthly fees, but we'll let you do the math on that one. Section 7. Managing your cloud. Organizing your digital life. Now that you're a seedr power user, downloading and streaming content like a digital deity, you might find yourself with a bit of a digital hoarding problem. But fear not, my friend, for seedr comes equipped with a suite of tools to help you manage your cloud storage and keep your digital life in order. From your seedr dashboard, you can create folders to organize your files, rename files to something a little more descriptive than asdrjkl.mp4, and even delete files that you no longer need, although we both know you're never going to delete anything, you digital hoarder. You can also share files with friends and colleagues, because what good is having a digital treasure trove if you can't show it off to everyone you know? Just be mindful of copyright laws and all that jazz. We're not trying to get anyone in trouble here. With seedr's intuitive file management tools, you can keep your cloud storage as organized or as chaotic as you like. It's your digital life, live it your way. Section 8. seedr and you, a responsible partnership. Now, before we wrap things up, let's have a quick chat about responsibility. seedr is a powerful tool that gives you access to a vast library of digital content, but with great power comes great responsibility. Thanks, Uncle Ben. While seedr itself is perfectly legal, using it to download and share copyrighted content without permission is not. We're not here to judge, but we do encourage you to use seedr responsibly and ethically. Support your favorite artists, creators, and developers by purchasing their work legally. Not only will you be doing the right thing, but you'll also be helping to ensure that they can continue to create the content you love. Remember, seedr is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or for evil. Choose wisely, my friend. Section 9, the future of torrenting, embracing the cloud. So, there you have it. seedr, the future of torrenting today. With its cloud-based platform, user-friendly interface, and robust feature set, seedr is revolutionizing the way we download, stream, and share digital content. As internet speeds continue to increase and cloud storage becomes more affordable, services like seedr are poised to become the new norm for digital distribution. So why wait? Embrace the future of torrenting and give seedr a try. You might just be surprised at how easy, convenient, and surprisingly legal it can be. And that's our show. We'll leave you with this thought. If you could download anything in the world, legally and ethically, what would it be? Let us know in the comments below.